Very good morning to everyone. My name is Temaran, son of Chandraju, and this number 17DIT23F2046. Today we are presenting about case study for course FK30023 user experience fundamentals. This is our team. Uh, this is our task delegation table. Introduction is the case study evaluate the user experience of MySuggestor application by another user feedback, identify usability issues, and proposing interface improvement, draw a structured process involving questionnaire design, data collection, demography analysis, heuristic evaluation, and prototype redesign. The study aimed to understand real user pain points and recommend enhancements that improve navigation performance, clarity, and overall usability of the system. Mm, Questionnaire design. Number one is questionnaire design. This is our design, our questions. The questionnaires were designed using a Google Forms for collect both quantitative and qualitative data. It includes demographic questions such as age, gender, and occupation to understand user background. Users questions ask users about their purpose of using MySuggestor, such as vaccination records, hotspot info, appointment updates, and healthy status. Usage frequency was collected to determine how often users interact with the app daily, weekly, daily. Uh, this is the session B, usability. This is the session. The questionnaire includes like 12 erotic questions, covering the 10 usability erotics by Jacob Nelson. For example, visibility of system status, efficiency, error prevention. The latest scale range from 1 is 4 to 5 is excellent to measure user satisfaction with different features. The form also includes uh, open-ended questions for users to express pain points, challenges, and opinions that cannot be captured through numerous coding. This code is to gather real user insight to identify usability issues and guide the design process. Data collection. And number two is data collection. Data collection is total we get 10 respondents participants via Google Forms. Uh, all responses were collected digitally, ensuring easy analysis and reliability. Age distribution is 18 to 24 years is 6 users, 25 to 34 old is from 4 users. Gender distribution is mainly 6, 6 male participants and 4 female participants. Occupation background include students, private sector workers, business owners. Purpose of using MySuggestor is destination records, hotspot checking, appointment details, health status. This collection form the foundation of demography evaluation, behavior analysis, and usability insights. That's only for me. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Dharmendran, son of Karunakaran Puriwal. and my metric number is 17DIT23F2020. Today I would like to present the case study of subject TFK30023 User Experience Fundamental. So I would like to start with data analysis, which is demographic. In demographics data analysis, got age distribution, which is age group 18 until 24, count 6 and percentage 60%, and the rest of 25 age 25 until age 34, the count was 4 and the percentage was 40%. So the majority is of users are young adults, which is 18 until 24 ages, showing the app is widely used for students and youth. And then the second one is occupational status, which is status is student, private sector, and business. The respondents represent a mix of total 3%, which is student, working adults, business owners. This provides a broader perspective on usage patterns. And then the frequency of use is mostly we get is several times a week. Most respondents use MySejahtera at least weekly, which is showing ongoing relevance even after COVID-era requirements. And for the second one, here's the table of heuristic evaluation summary, which is we can see visibility of system status, which is average score is 4.5, interpretation is very good, and the match between system real world, which is 4.3, average score between very good, and then third user control and freedom, the marks is 4.1, which is good, and then fourth one is consistency standards, which is 4.6 and excellent, and the fifth is error prevention, the score was 4.7, and the excellent, and recognition rather than recall, which is 4.6, and the flexibility efficiency, which is 4.6, and that was also excellent, and the aesthetic minimalist design, which is 4.7, and then the ninth one is error recognitions, which is and recovery, and score is 4.8, which is excellent, and the 10th help and documentation, which is 4.6, and the interpretation is very good. So despite high heuristic ratings, which is specific user issues still exist in certain features, not the whole app. And the heuristics evaluation summary, which is users rated the app across 10 usability heuristics, scores 1 until 5, and their meanings: strongly disagree, or neutral, and then agree and strongly agree. And this was I attached the section B, which is usually evaluations, and this is as a overall 60% that have been voted for visibility, strongly agree. And then this was is also highest in very good 4.3, strongly agree, and this was 2. And then the error prevention also strongly agree, and then the sixth one is also strongly agree, which is rather than recall, and then flexibility efficiency of use also excellent, strongly agree, and the aesthetic and minimalist design also strong agree, and the ninth one is help user recognize, diagnose and recover from errors, and the last one is help and documentation, which is strongly agree and very good. And although the average scores are high, which is several specific user complaints will still appear, which is difficulty navigating certain sections, and slow loading and lack, confusing booking steps, notifications and unclear. This showed that high heuristic score do not always reflect real world pain points. and the identify usability issues, which is based on both like scores and user comments. And issue one is confusing navigation, which is user can be struggle to find which is certain features or they understand where to go next. And the issue two, slow performance, which is user can see the loading delays negatively impact usability. And the issue three is notification system lacks clarity. Many users didn't get the message do not clearly indicate success or within failure. And the issue four, complex appointment booking flow, which is user are unsure when steps are completed or not. So that's a way our user will find the complex appointment. So the issue 5 is insufficient help and documentation, which is user can lack of guidance for new or confused, which is maintained by user or login by user. So the fourth one is complex appointment flow, which is we can make an appointment booking involves unclear steps for the user and the no clear confirmation screen at the end, and the user feel confused whether the booking was successful or not. So the fifth one is insufficient help documentation. Fact is not visible or easy to find for the user. So user difficult to visible or check the help and documentation. So need to correct it. So after that, no guidance for the first time user. So user can easily lack of guidance and easily give up for the using the app for the appointments or the medical checkup. So yeah. So the last one is users want clearer instruction in complex processor. That's only the way users can get to use the app MySejahtera. So that's all for me. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum semua. So hari ini saya akan explain interface redesign Figma prototype. Okay, definition dia. A Figma prototype was created to address all identified usability issues. Seterusnya, redesign page include. So kat sini ada 4 page. Yang pertama, home page. Clean layout, simplify categories. Yang kedua, check-in page. Improve clarity and easy QR access. So, bila user guna kami punya apps, so mudah untuk user QR mana-mana tempat and senang nak access. So, yang ketiga, travel page. Better arrangement of travel-related features. Last sekali, certificate page. Needed vaccination and health certificate display. Okay. Seterusnya, visual heritage improve to reduce confusion. Next, icon and menus reorganized for easy navigation. Seterusnya, design follows minimalistic user-friendly principle. And last sekali, the Figma link in the report allow interactive demonstration of the new UI. Okay, ini adalah interface redesign yang saya create dalam Figma. So, yang saya pilih dengan team saya adalah MySejahtera Apps. Okay, ini adalah homepage. MySejahtera home. Ini adalah homepage bagi MySejahtera Apps. Okay, seterusnya ini adalah check-in page, table page, certificate page, and ini dan last sekali adalah user punya profile page. Next slide. Okay, conclusion dia. In conclusion, the revolution revealed that although MySejahtera performed well in terms of visual clarity and consistency, Several important usability issues still exist, particularly in navigation, perform, notification clarity, and appointment booking. The purpose redesign address this weakness by introducing clear structures in in case in case efficiency and improve user guidance. Ultimately, aim to provide a more user-friendly and intuitive experience that align with actual user needs. Okay, so saya akan tunjuk demo apps dia dalam Figma.